Did you know take off has more meanings than a plane leaving the ground? Yes, indeed. It's a phrasal verb, a staple of the English language. Let's delve in, shall we? Take off can mean to begin a flight, like an airplane. Example, the plane is scheduled to take off at dawn, but it also applies to removing something, typically a piece of clothing. For instance, after the party, he decided to take off his tie. Surprisingly, take off can also refer to when something becomes successful quickly, like her business really took off after her product was featured on a popular blog. Finally, it can mean to leave quickly or suddenly. For instance, she took off without saying goodbye. So remember, take off is more than just planes and jackets. It's a versatile phrase that can take your English conversation skills to new heights.